Good morning. Today is day 48 on the AT, and yesterday we did somewhere around 18 miles from the Partnership Shelter, which is like just south of the hitch into Marion, to Reed Creek, where we camped last night. And today we're gonna do like 17 miles to the Chestnut Knob shelter, which is at the top of a mountain. So that should be an amazing place to camp. And I don't exactly know if there's like a sunset or a sunrise view, but you know that we love those sunsets and sunrises.
Training for Maine.
Woohoo! Our first Ford! One cool fact from today is that Chestnut Knob, the mountain that we're camping on tonight, is going to be our highest elevation on the trail from now until Mount Moosilauke in New Hampshire, which is the first mountain in the Whites. Oh shit!
Might have gotten hurt or something.
A privy with an absolutely wonderful view. Good morning. Today is day 49 on the AT. Last night we camped in the old fire warden's cabin at the top of Chestnut Knob, and we saw a very beautiful sunset last night and sunrise this morning. And today it would be 22.4 miles to hike into the town of Bland at the end of the day, where we might stay, or we might stop somewhere before there. We're not totally sure. Good morning. Today is day 50 on the Appalachian Trail. It's a pretty cool milestone because I think we're only going to be out here for like 150 days. So we're like a third of the way through. And yesterday, most of the group did 22.4 miles to Bland, Virginia, where they stayed the night at a hostel. And I stayed back with Old Chicken, aka Claire, because her feet have been super screwed up, really blistered and raw, and yesterday she was in an enormous amount of pain. So we did like 15 miles, and now we're gonna do 7 this morning to meet them in town. And we're not totally sure where we're gonna end up staying tonight.
Gumball.